Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a preferred SIM for text messages on S25 Ultra. You just need to go through settings, and first you will find these connections, and then you have to scroll down and you'll find SIM manager. Tap on it, and from here you will find preferred SIMs section where you will find calls, messages and mobile data. Here is the messages. You can tap on it if you have multiple SIMs available on your S25 Ultra. For me, I have just only one SIM available right now, but if you have dual SIM on your S25 Ultra, then you can tap on it and select one of the SIM that you want to use for your text messages. You can change it through click on this, and you will find a drop down where you will find SIM 1 and SIM 2. You can select SIM 1, either SIM 2. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.